Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some oatmeal. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our bowl of oatmeal, we just need to make a line that comes across here. So I'm just going to make a little line that comes right across my paper. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. Next, we want to draw another line that just comes right across here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and then come up like a smiley face. Starting here, we're going to add two little lines coming down. And we'll make a little line across to connect it. Now, to make the top of our oatmeal, we are going to just kind of make a bumpy sort of line that just comes right up here to the top. Then we're just going to make it slowly kind of come down. Now, right up here, I want to put a strawberry on our oatmeal. So let's begin by drawing a little line that's going to go up and come down. Then we'll add a couple little points on here for the leaves. Then we're going to put some blueberries on here. So I'm going to add a couple little circle shapes on here for some blueberries. Now also on here we want to put the spoon. To make the spoon, let's just draw a line that goes up with a curve. We'll make another one come up here, and we will connect it. Next, we'll make a line that comes down, and we'll bring it right to here. Now, the last thing is let's add a fun face on here. I'm going to begin here by making a circle for an eye. We're going to leave some space, and we'll make another circle over here for another eye. We'll add a circle inside each one. Then I like to leave a small circle at the top and then just color in the rest. So do the same thing, just leave a small circle at the top and then we just color in the rest. Next, starting here, let's make a line across for the mouth. And we'll make a nice big smiley face here. I'm going to add some teeth on here for our oatmeal with a little line across for the tongue. Then we can just color this part in for the mouth, just so the tongue and teeth really start to stand out. And there you go, there is your drawing of some oatmeal. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.